All right. Okay. Let me know when you can see my screen, please. Can you guys see my screen now?
No, we can't see them.
Oh, maybe that's because you are not pinning. Please, that's why I told you guys to pin me. Just pin me to your screen. Maybe that's because you are pinning someone else. Just pin me to your screen so that you can see my screen. So can you see my screen now?
Okay.
Yes,
I can see your screen.
I can't.
Oh, all right, very good. Itunu Badamosi. All right. Okay, so let's get this over with. So first of all, I'm going to start with a little bit of explanation on the reason why we had to install XAMPP. I told you that if you want to create a website, you're gonna have to get a domain and then purchase hosting in order to be able to host your website and push your website to the rest of the world. But since I wouldn't want us to spend money on the purchase of okay, Clifford can't see my screen after pinning. Please, others can see my screen. I don't know what's going on. Just try as much as possible to see how you can fix it. All right. Okay. Please mute your microphone, guys. Please mute your microphone. Please mute your microphone. All right. So as I was saying, you need to. Okay. You actually need to purchase hosting in order to. Sorry, people are joining, so that's what is distracting me. In order to be able to build a website, but I wouldn't want us to do that. That's the reason why I want us to install a local server on our laptop. All right, a local server will make we explained how the internet works yesterday, and then I told you what servers are. So XAMPP will enable us to use our own laptop as a web server, such that you can host websites on your laptop. Do you understand? So let me show you how. I just want to show you how it will look like after you finish buying hosting and you finish buying a domain. You are going to have a cPanel that will look like this. Let me show you. This is how the cPanel looks like. Let me go to. This is how cPanel looks like. cPanel is like the administrative. It's like the administrative board where you control your website. Do you understand? So I got a domain called healthcareplus.com.ng. Then that's what I'm running here, and this is the shared IP address. I told you about IP addresses. Translating to domain name. So this is the IP address of the server that I'm currently running with. This is the IP address of the device that I'm using, to log in here. So this is how cPanel looks like, but we are not going to be working with cPanel. We are going to be working on our local, all right, on our local host, and that is the reason why we had to install XAMPP. So that's why I'm happy that a lot of you guys have installed XAMPP. So what I need you to do now, let me give you some few tips that will save you a lot of trouble. Please listen and listen attentively to this. It will save you a lot of trouble. I've had 6 of these classes, and this is one of the issues that guys have while trying to build websites and launch it on their laptop. They keep having issues, and they keep disturbing me that they're having these issues, and after after a lot of troubles, we see that all of them are making the same mistake. And that is what I want to tell you now upfront, so that you're not going to make the same mistake. Is the fact that when you want to build website on your laptop, always use browsers like Chrome and Firefox. Don't use any other one. Chrome and Firefox. If you don't have them installed, if you're using maybe Opera Mini or Microsoft Edge or whatever, go and download Chrome. Right. Also, if you're on Linux, download Chrome. If you are on Mac, download Safari. Safari is good. You can use Safari on Mac, right? All right, very good. So I guess that is out of the way. We can continue. I want to believe that you have XAMPP installed. If you have XAMPP installed already, you can just go ahead and open your XAMPP. I'm going to open my XAMPP now. And maybe some of you, after installing it yesterday, you don't know where that control panel is anymore. Let me show you how to get the control panel. I mean this control panel. Bidemi, I'm going to go ahead and mute you from here. All right. Bidemi, maybe you will mute yourself. It's not muting. Please, guys, at any point in time, if you stop hearing me, please let me know. You understand? All right. So this is what you need to do. I need you to open your Windows Explorer. Open your Windows Explorer. I mean this PC. Just open your Windows Explorer. After opening your Windows Explorer, go to local disk. After you are at local disk, you are going to see another folder called XAMPP. XAMPP old will not be there. Do you understand? This is just a backed up file for me. And you are going to see a new folder called XAMPP. Just XAMPP. Open that XAMPP. Then after you open that XAMPP, scroll to the bottom. You understand? Scroll to the bottom. You are going to see this couple of applications here. The one that says XAMPP control.exe. XAMPP control.exe. This particular one, XAMPP control.exe. Just open it. Just double click it. That is the control panel. Do you understand? That is the control panel. So you can just go ahead and pin it to your taskbar so that you wouldn't have to come here every time you want to do it, or create a shortcut and put it on your desktop or something. All right. What you can do is that on this running page, you can just left click. Then after you left click and then you pin to taskbar, you will have pin to taskbar here. So just do that. Okay. So what you should do is to just start Apache and start MySQL. A quick because I like to explain these things. The reason why I like to explain these things is that when you want, I believe if you understand something, then you will be able to control it. You will have better feel and better control. You understand? I learned that from Dr. Miles Monroe. How many of you knows Dr. Miles Monroe? Miles Monroe he was a pastor, but then he's no more. God bless his soul. But then I learned from, he's a very wise man. I learned from him that when you understand something, then you will be able to manipulate it and you have better control, right? So that is why I like to explain stuff to people as much as possible, so that you will understand. Now, Apache is a local server. Is a local server engine. Apache. You can see that FileZilla, Mercury, and Tomcat, we are not using them. So you don't need to start those ones. All right, you don't need to start those ones. We only need MySQL and Apache. Apache is the local server engine. It is the one that will allow us to use our laptop, to host websites. Now, MySQL is a database engine. So in layman's term, in a very, very super simple term, MySQL is just something like let's say a memory card, like some sort of memory where you can save data, where data can be saved, where a lot of things are going to be saved. Do you understand? When you are building your website, you're going to have to save, let's say, again in layman terms, you're going to have to save, let's say, pictures, text, a lot of things. But in the real sense, you're actually saving let's say data. You are saving section tokens, you are saving username and password and all those stuff. So that is what MySQL will help you do. MySQL is a database engine. Do you understand? So that is why we are starting only Apache and MySQL. So what I need you to do is to open your XAMPP right now and click on Start on Apache and click on Start on MySQL. After you have done that, then open your browser. Open your browser. All right. Open your browser. I'm using Firefox right now, and I'm going to suggest to you guys that you use Firefox too. You understand? I use Chrome for normal browsing, but when it comes to building on localhost, I use Firefox. For some reason, I like it better than. For some reason that I don't really know, like I really put a fix on, I like it better on Firefox, right? I don't know. Okay, so what I need you to do after you start your XAMPP and your MySQL is to type localhost. Just type localhost. Just localhost alone. Localhost alone. Do you understand? Let me copy it and come and put it. Yeah. Just type localhost, and if you get this page right here, then congratulations, Apache is running well. Do you understand? Congratulations, Apache is running fine. Apache is already running fine. Someone is trying to join. Let me add them here. So Apache is running fine. How many of you have gotten this screen? How many of you have gotten this screen? Please just go ahead and let me know in the chat section if you have gotten this screen. Please let me know in the chat section if you have gotten this screen. Victor Abba, you are late. Why are you late, Victor Abba? Victor Abba, you just came around. You are late. You are late to my class. Why?
I'm sorry.
I don't want to hear you are sorry. I don't want to hear you are sorry. Go and pay 15 naira to the class captain.
Who is the class captain, sir?
It is happiness. Elejo.
Happiness, message me. Let me transfer you 50 naira.
Happiness, send your account number to him. All right, please, let's stop joking around. We have a lot of things to do. All right, so just mute yourself, please. Okay, very good. Very good. Itsuno has gotten this screen. So if you've gotten this screen, that's good. If you're not getting this screen, or maybe your XAMPP is showing red, it means you're having some issues. Just go ahead and screenshot the error message and send it to the class on WhatsApp so that we can help you. All right. But if you've gotten this this screen, then thank you very much. God bless you. Congratulations. Let's go ahead and install WordPress. WordPress is a very, very amazing platform. I love WordPress. I love WordPress very well. In fact, I have been lazy because I'm a PHP coder. I write Laravel. I don't know if you guys know PHP Laravel. I'm a backend engineer. Do you understand? But I noticed that there is a lot I can do with WordPress. There is a lot I can do with WordPress. A project that will take me 6 months, 7 months to finish coding with Laravel PHP. It can only take me like maybe a week to finish just with WordPress. So WordPress is amazing. A lot of plugins, a lot of themes has been developed. Can you guys believe that my platform Nova University, it is built with WordPress? In fact, let me show you the, this is the this is the backend. You are looking at the backend right here. Do you understand? It is WordPress. All right, this is Nova University's WordPress. I'm not lying to you. All right, so it is WordPress, and it is very, very amazing. So there's a lot you can do with it. So as I was saying, WordPress is a very nice platform. A lot of people. The reason why I love WordPress is that it has a very, very large it has a very large community, and it currently powers about 70% of the websites in the world right now. 70% of the blogs, content systems that you're looking at online, WordPress is currently powering them, and it's an amazing, it's overall an amazing platform. So that is why I've been using it, and I mean, it's kind of like a plus to me because WordPress is built on PHP. So since I know PHP coding and also PHP normal WordPress normally, so I can do and undo with WordPress. I can go ahead and penetrate into the code of WordPress and remove what I don't like, add some things I like and other stuff. But overall, even if you can't do that, it's a very good platform. In fact, let me show you some couple of things to bust your brain before we start. I just want to get you guys pumped up about WordPress. See, look at this website right here. I'm just going to show you some of my portfolio websites in Incidence Digital. Let's say hotelincidencedigital.com. Let me open this. Let me also open delivery, and I'm also going to open what else? I'm also going to open e-commerce. I'm going to open Star. I'm also going to open, which one else do I want to open? I think it remains. Okay, yes. Healthy food. All right. All right, guys. So all these sites that I'm going to show you, they are portfolio websites. You know what portfolio websites means? It means website that I actually design for people. that I designed for clients. And then before I put it for them, then I add it to my portfolio such that this is what I have done. So that when other clients see it, they know that, oh, this person is very proficient, and they can pay for it. Check this out. This is it is still loading. So this is a blog, right? This is a food blog. All right, this is a food blog. I did this with WordPress. You understand? I even added sponsored post on it. Live Right. Can you guys see Live Right? Live Right is actually my company, guys. How many of you have checked out Live Right online? Please tell me. If you have checked out Live Right online, God bless you. You're an OG. Thank you for supporting my business. Thank you for supporting my dream. But if you have not checked out Live Right online, it is dog that will eat your Christmas chicken. You understand? Dog will eat your Christmas chicken. Just go ahead and check out liverightshealthcare.com.ng so that you can get more information. Maybe your uncle might be very rich, and it might be a potential investor and invest in my company. So please, who knows? Let me send you the link. Oh, Francis, God bless you for checking out Live Right. Dog will not eat your Christmas chicken. Yeah, there you go. So, but then I would advise that you do that after this class so that you don't miss anything. All right. So check this out. This is a food blog. I did this with WordPress. So this is the first version. That you can see that it is dummy contents that are there. Lorem ipsum, whatever. You can go to ltfood.com.ng to see how it looks on mobile and check it. Just check it yourself and see how it looks like and that shit. All right, let me send it to you. There you go. So you can go ahead. I also built Live Right's website with WordPress as well. So you can go ahead and check it out. And also check this out. I think I got about 75k for this website. It is one of the lowest I've ever gotten paid for a website. And the reason is that it's just a one pager, all right, such that when you click on services, it scrolls to where services is. When you click on about us, it scrolls to where about us is. You get the point. It scrolls to where about us is. Pricing, it scrolls to pricing, work with us. It scrolls to where you're going to, and you see this very beautiful animating text. Do you understand? This is so awesome. You put in your contacts and then you click on next. All those carrier service, those bike riding service. And check this out. If you look at this very well, you'll see that it's a video background. It's a video background. It's very sleek. And it took me about 3 hours to design this website. And I got 75k. Sleek and clean. You understand it? So it was nothing actually. So this is actually a very nice skill if you can master it. Also check this out. And this is an hotel management system that I designed when I was still in Port Harcourt. Alright, when I was still serving at Port Harcourt, I designed this for an hotel in Port Harcourt. And it is with WordPress as well. So you can check details of a room. You can actually check details of a room. Alright, let's say this is the room you want. It starts at 6 whatever per night. King size bed, all this kind of stuff, and then some gallery images of that room, and then you can go ahead and say, okay, I want to check in on the 22, and I'm going out on the 26th, and I can just go ahead and check availability, and if that room has not been booked, you will be able to pay for it. You'll be able to book it. All right. The reason why I'm doing this is that I want to show you what you can do. Do you understand? Oh, and of course, this is some high level this is some high level WordPress shit. Do you understand? I'm sorry for using the word shit, but then if you don't like shit, all the best to you. All right. So this is advanced level WordPress, but you have to start from somewhere. All right. You have to start from somewhere and then ramp up. When I started I wasn't building cool shit like this. I started from somewhere too. So if you select this room, I got paid about 450,000 naira for this particular one because it's a complete web application, and then it has you So you can book directly. You are paying a grand total of 34k, 34,200. You can put your name, you know, you can put additional notes, whatever, and then after then you can just book now. After you book now, an automatic email would have been sent to your email, and then your reservation is complete. You know, the hotelers would have also gotten their own whatever too. They would have gotten an alert that someone just paid order, and you can even make your payment online. So if you click on make payment online, this is actually a test payment because you know this is a test website. I mean, this is a portfolio. I added it to my portfolio. The original one that I gave them is not a test. You know, it's not a test payments. You can go ahead and put you're paying 34k 200, and you can pay now. Then after you pay now, it's going to, you know, payment is loading. Let's say success payment, and then you pay. Then after you pay, payment is successful, and it will redirect you to. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. There's an issue. I'm gonna have to fix this. It is still on localhost slash whatever. Okay, very good. I think I'll fix this later. I'll go and fix that in the thank God this is on this is on portfolio. Very good. So but then you get the point. After payment is made, it's supposed to reroute you to payment success page. Alright, supposed to reroute you to payment success page, but I'll fix that later after this class. So this is also another one. And then one of my favorite e-commerce websites. Check this out. This is an e-commerce website. I actually designed this for a foreign client. You know, this is the website that they paid me $1,500 for. They paid me $1,500 for this. Let me send you the link so that you can check it out yourself and see how sleek it is. It's very beautiful. This is actually a very good skill if you can master it. This is a very good skill, and I really hope you guys master it and you take advantage of that. I mean, this is some high level stuff. But then there is something I'm going to introduce to you guys before the ending of this lecture, of today's lecture, and I want you guys to take very good advantage of it. Of course, I don't know, most of you might have seen my website, Nova University, and you would notice that I have a course on Nova University on web design, which is an advanced course, and it is not free. It is a paid course. Do you understand? It is a paid course, and it is currently 20,000 naira. If you see, the price here is 20,000 naira. But here is the interesting part. Please give me a moment, guys. Please give me a moment. I'm going to go on mute now. Give me a moment. Alright, sorry about that. Okay, so as I was saying, it's currently 20,000 naira, and the reason why I had that course, in fact, I was so lucky and I was very happy that I created that course. Then I created this in partnership with one very big tech company in Port Harcourt when I was still serving in Port Harcourt. It is Olo2Square. Then after I finished creating Nova University, then just before this training is not enough, and I really wanted to do more. So, but then I don't have the resources to do that. So I was serving at this company. Then you see Olo2Square. Olo2Square is a very big, is one of the biggest tech companies. Tech Square, in one of the most popular and biggest in Port Harcourt. And this is me. Look at me. This is me, Olubayo Samuel. This is my face. I was still fresh then. I was still very fresh. And this is my boss, Bruce Lucas, and this is our CEO. This is my direct boss. This is our CEO then. So you can see NYSC digital marketing. I was doing digital marketing and back-end engineering for them there. So together in partnership with this company, I used their equipment and their influence to create the course, and then we both came up with a price of 20,000 naira on it. But then something very amazing happened about a month later. Union Bank Rice Challenge. I don't know if you guys have seen my Union Bank Rice Challenge video. I think I sent it to you guys. So I applied for Union Bank Rice Challenge, and then I got selected, and I got a little bit of sponsorship fund, and I'm supposed to use this sponsorship fund to help a few Nigerians to get the skill. I'm supposed to use it to help a few Nigerians to get to skill. So which makes it very, very amazing. So I've been helping people. Now I've created. Now that sponsorship fund allowed me to create a discount code, and when I calculated the discount that people will be able to get, it's removed about, okay, I think it's give more than 70 something percent discount, and you can now get it at $14, which means it will take it from 20,000 and it will turn it to 5,430. When I did the calculation, 5,430, and it can only because I have a dream of training 1,500 people before the ending of this year. Do you understand? So the sixth class I already have up to 1,300, which means I still have to do one more class after the seventh class to be able to hit my goal. It's just my own personal goal of training 1,500 people for free. Do you understand? So I still have to do one more class to be able to hit that goal this year, and I really hope I do, because next year I want to do something very, very crazy next year. All right, I want to give free laptops to people that are taking my courses. Some of them they don't have laptops to practice, so I'm planning on writing to Dangote Group. It was Junior Bank that sponsored this discount. I'm planning on writing to Dangote Group and some of these oil companies, so that they can help me, give me another sponsorship fund, and I will be able to help for just 500 Nigerians get free laptops that they can use to practice web design. That's just my dream. That's what I want to do next year. All right, but I just want to share this. So it will take that discount code will take the cost from 20,000. It will take it to 5,430, and it is only for very few people. For each classes, I calculated it is only 10 people that can get that discount. Do you understand? So that's why I've created that discount code. That discount code it has been automated. Immediately after the 10th person apply the code and make payments, it will stop working. Now you will be able to. Now this is the big deal, because a lot of people think I'm very nice. So that's the reason why I'm making this class free for people. But the real reason, well, I'm a nice person too. I mean, you guys must have figured. But the real reason why I'm doing this is that I want to create an ecosystem. I want to create an ecosystem of developers, of WordPress developers that are very good. I know that I'm the one that trained these people and they are very good. Such that, because I have a lot of things I'm doing. I'm the CEO of a company, of my own company, Livrite Healthcare. Do you understand? And we are currently preparing for our seed funding. Our seed funding of about, a lot of money, but I won't say it here so that you guys will not be asking me to do giveaway. Do you understand? We are preparing for our seed round, and it's going to require a lot of attention from me. So I still want to be able to do my, I still want to be able to run Eden's Digital. So I want to do is that I want to train people that I know that it is me that train these people, and we can work together such that when I get a job worth of 450k, I can have you do it. When you do it, you probably get like 250k, I get 200k. Do you understand? I have the name, I have the reputation, I have the company, I have the brand. Do you understand? So I get the job, you do it, and then we split the money. Do you understand? We can split it 100k for 350. You can take 350, I take 100. It doesn't matter. Olufemi, please mute your microphone. It doesn't matter. It's still a win for me. I get to do nothing, and you get to do all the work, and you get the money. Do you understand? You will probably not get as much clients if you are working on your own. So that is why the people that have finished this course, they are going to get a certificate. Let me show you. You are going to get a certificate that you can add to your CV. Okay, check this out. Currently, about 374 students are currently taking this course. Can you see? And then after you are done, you are going to get a certificate, and it has 61 lectures. Do you understand? And everything from A to Z on web design, even how you can build chat robots. I told you guys about chat robots, right? Now, guess what? Everything we are going to learn in this course, everything we have been learning in this free course is actually here. And it stops at only module 3. And then after module 3, we still have module 4, which teaches you, how to design cool stuffs. The first thing I did is I taught the skill, like how you can get the skill, how to design chat robots without, chat robots. I don't know if you guys know about chat robots, but I think I've told you guys about it before. sales magic with chat robots. Exactly how you can do it step by step. Everything has been broken down. And trust me, I'm the one. I taught it myself. I'm a very good teacher. You guys must have figured. So, and also, um, also email autoresponders. All those emails that you guys are getting automatically. Do you guys know that it is not just coincidental that you are getting it at exactly 3 p.m. It has been automated. Do you understand? I never have to touch it. Immediately after you finish registering, it will automatically send an email to you. They are called email autoresponders, and now you can embed it into your client's website. And exactly what I use to kill my clients and really land my jobs is this chat robots, and this email autoresponders. I embed everything inside their website. And I tell them that, see guys, this is what I can do. Also, SMS marketing. Do you understand? SMS marketing, how you can send cool customized SMS to people. How you can do email marketing for free. Everything is for free, guys. I'm telling you, like everything I taught in this course, you don't have to pay a single shingbai to to do it. You don't have to pay money. You don't have to buy any software. You don't have to do anything. Everything is for free. So when I get a job from people and I get a job for 450k, I'm only spending about 5,000 naira on domain, and the rest of the money is mine. Do you understand? So also how you can now the brain busting part, let me show you something. What I do is that I place online advertisements like this one. Let me show you something. Can you guys still see my screen? Can you still see my screen? Someone tell me, please. Can you see my screen?
Yeah, I've seen it.
Okay, let me show you. Let me show you something. Edens Digital. Let me open Edens Digital. Let me show you Edens Digital campaign videos. I want to open campaign videos, and I want to show you this. Okay, this is the one that I did for foreign clients. Let me open this. Let me play this for you. Oh no, this is not the one. This is not the one. I'm looking for that one. Wait, give me a moment, please. Where's this thing? E-commerce in dollars. Is it this one? Alright, I think maybe it's this one. Let me see. Exactly. You want to ask? Alright, you get the point. That is a video ad. Do you understand? Now, how many of you know Facebook ads and YouTube advertisement? I place advertisements like this. Someone asked me. Now, this is a secret. Listen and listen good. Open your head here. You understand? If you can get this and you don't get anything else in this class, you are good to go. Alright? What I do, the secret of how I get clients. Someone asked me, how do I get foreign people to pay me money, to hire me? This is what I do. I don't post stuff on Fiverr. How much do they want to pay you on Fiverr? You can't get quality clients on Fiverr. What I do is that I create advertisements like this. Then after I create advertisements like this, what I do is that I use Facebook advertisements and Instagram advertisements. I use it, to promote my business. I put it on Instagram. I put it on Instagram. I put it on YouTube advertisement, paid advertisement. When you want to start watching a YouTube video, all those advertisements that will pop up. Now the thing is that you can target anybody you want. If you want people in Dubai, if you want people in America, you can target them to see that advertisement. So this dollar e-commerce ads that I did, someone is trying to join. Let me add that person. Okay. This dollar, you can see that one is e-commerce dollars, one is e-commerce naira. Let me show you. Is it this one? I'm not sure. This is dollar one. Okay, instead of getting 1.5, you can see $1.5. This one is basically something for people in America. Do you understand? I targeted America, I targeted South Africa, and I targeted one more country. I've forgotten. I targeted them then, and then I post the advertisement, and I paid Google some money. Do you understand? And I paid Facebook some money to be able to push it to those people. And guess what? I got calls. I got WhatsApp messages. I got orders from my website here, Eden's Digital. Do you understand? And people paid me a lot of money then. That was when I made, and that was when I turned millionaire. Then that was when I got about six of them to pay me $115. You understand? That was what turned me into a millionaire then. Do you understand? So this is actually a very lucrative skill. Oh, and then I think I was telling you something before. Okay, this is my website. How many of you have seen this website, Eden's Digital? This is my name, Olubayo Sam, and this is a very, very inspirational quote from me. I'm a very wise person. I give inspirational quotes. Do you understand? So this is my this is where people will apply, get started. When you get started, Nigerian businesses, foreign businesses. Can you see? Nigerian businesses, foreign businesses. Do you understand? That's how I get my clients. And the brain busting part is that exactly step by step how I do that. That was what I explained in this module 8. How you can set up your own web design consultancy business. How you can set up your own agency for free. Do you understand? How you can use digital marketing to find high-paying clients. How you can create Facebook advertisement to exactly how I do mine, and I get mine exactly step by step, for God's sake. That is what I have put here. It is all here. Do you understand? You also have a module 9, final, what is next, certification and farewell. This is where you get your certificate, right? And after you are done, you are going to join my mentorship group. The mentorship group is only for people that have completely completed the course. You are going to join my mentorship group. After you join my mentorship group, then we work together. I teach those guys every Friday. I teach them new things every Friday. I'm teaching them everything I know, because I know that these are the people that are going to be doing my jobs. You understand? Some of them are already getting jobs of their own, but I want to make sure that they are the one that will be doing my jobs, and I want to make sure they are good, so that they will not spoil business for me. I can't go and give you clients' websites and then you do it anyhow, and then you spoil my brand name. I can't do that. So I have to make sure that I'm the one that trained you. You've gone through my training, and you are very, very good. You are very good. Let me show you something. Let me bust every part of your body. The rest part, I've already bust your head. Let me bust the rest part of your body. Let me show you something. All right, this is a proposal that I wrote for a company. The company is called See the Vest. It's a startup company, actually. It is called See the Vest. It's an agricultural extension company. Do you understand? This is what my proposal looks like. All right, this is what I teach them in my mentorship group, because this is not included in the course. Do you understand? After you are done, you join my mentorship group, and then for the rest of your life till you die, me and Juby are together. I'm teaching you stuff for free. I don't collect a dime shingbai for them. Do you understand? In fact, the point is not even about the 5,430 naira that you're going to pay. I mean, how much the hell is that? I don't care about that money. That money is just to keep on funding what I'm doing, how I'm able to reach out to people. Most of you got into this class through online advertisement. Through online advertisement on Facebook, yes or no? I placed ad. I paid Facebook about 20,000 naira to be able to show that advertisement to you. Do you understand? I'm doing it every time I'm placing advertisement on Facebook. I will pay the same amount, $50. I paid $50 to YouTube. Some of you got in from YouTube and other stuff. All right, to be able to move these things. The money that I'm getting from here, that's what I'm using to do. The real thing, the real impact that I'm really, really making is from this free class that I'm doing, and I will be able to push it to the rest of the world. I've been able to reach out to 3 to 4 African countries: Nigeria, Uganda, Kenya, and Ghana. Do you understand? Which is kind of like very great for me. But this is what I want to show you. All right, this is what my pricing looks like now. I mean, when I started, it was not up to this, but this is what my pricing looks like now. I mean, check this amount. How much is this? This is 1.4 million naira. Do you understand? This was the proposal that I sent to them, and it has been approved for next year. Project commence next year, January 15. Do you understand? January 15, I will start this project. I'm collecting 1.4 million naira from them to be able to build it for me. This is what. Of course, when you start your own, don't start billing people 1.4 million. No? they will run away. But then when you have your brand name up to a point, you will know that there are some stuff that I can no longer do. I still get job of 50k now. I still get jobs of 75k. But guess what? I don't do them anymore. When I get the 50k job, I just look for one of my students that is good enough. I know that this one is not going to spoil my name. I know that I'm the one that trained him. He has gone through my advanced course. I'm the one that trained him. I just give it to him and he does it. And before he sends it to that people, he will send it to me first. I will see it that, okay, now change this, add this, do this before he delivers the work. Then after he delivers the work, he gets his full money. It's none of my business. Do you understand? The only thing I will do is that when I know that you are good enough and I get a job of 1.4 million naira, I can have you do it. And then when you do it, you are going to take 700k. I will take the rest of the money, which is a win for me because I did not do jack shit. You are the one that did all the money. But then, fuck it, you are using my brand name. Do you understand? So, the reason why this had to happen is that, for God's sake, let me show you something. This is some of the portfolio pages that I put inside. I mean, these are some of the people that I've worked with before, that my agency has worked with before. Because I also have some guys working with me. I have a brand guy because I'm not a graphic designer. I don't know anything about the graphic design. I don't know anything about logo design. It's the guy that does the logo. And I also have a marketing expert too, that we are together in Eden's Digital, also, I have a secretary like that I pay 50k every month. So here now, this is a job. This is a job that we did for One Go Food. This is another job that we did for Toyota Nigeria. This is a project of about 1.2 million naira then, I think, about 6 months ago. This is Toyota Nigeria. And also this is another one, Roti Max Pest. This one did not pay a lot of money. He's an idiot. He only paid about 500 and something. And Ibukwa, how many of you know Ibukwa Woshika? Do you know Ibukwa Woshika? Yes, like the same Ibukwa Woshika. We did our personal portfolio. Do you understand? We did our personal portfolio website. This is Ibukwa Woshika for you. The same Ibukwa Woshika of First Bank. Alright? This is our personal portfolio. We did it. And so, I mean, you get. I have to. I can't just give you Ibukwa Woshika's website to do, and you're going to mess it up. Don't come and cover me. Don't come and spoil my brand's name. I have to be sure that I'm the one that trained you and you know what you are doing before I can give you this job. In fact, after if you finish my advanced course today and you join today and you finish the course today and you tell me that you join the mentorship group today, before I trust you with project this big, I mean, I would have attested that this person is indeed good. He's even better than me now. What I'm doing is that in my mentorship group, let me show you. Web design mentorship group. Okay, this is my mentorship group. Do you understand? This is the mentorship group. We work together all the time. I teach them every Friday. I teach them every Friday. Do you understand? So check this out. I will be dropping a couple tips on how you can land your first web design job. So voice notes. This is the next thing that I want to teach them. I'm supposed to teach them. I think I would start this series tomorrow or something. So I teach them every day for free. Do you understand? For free. About how many of them are here now? Let me check. How many of them are here now? Please, who is that? Mute your microphone, please. About 40 of them are here now. Do you understand? So if you are lucky enough to be part of them, but before you can before you can actually even smell this group, you have to have completed the advanced course. So, but the thing is that I'm very sorry, not everybody will be able to. About how many of you are in this class? About 100 and something, and only 10 slots is available for the discount, of course. Immediately after the 10th person apply the code, it will stop working. It will stop working. Let me show you. This is how you're gonna do it. After you had to cart, you view cart. Then after you view cart, oh my god, time has gone. But then we are still going to do stuff today. This is actually very important. After you view cart, you are going to apply the code. This is the code actually, but then I'll still send the link later. But then I want to make it a kind of a clean slate. I want to make it a clean slate such that immediately I send it, it will be first come first out. Nobody should come into my DM and beg. Immediately after the 10th person apply the code, it is gone and there's nothing I can do. It has already been calculated. The next class too, the 8th class that I'm going to start to, is going to, they are going to have 10 slots too. People have been having 10 slots. There's nothing I can do immediately after that 10 slot is taken. That's all. There's nothing. So you can see it has taken the price from 20,000. It is now 5,430 naira. Do you understand? Like 30 naira. I calculated it to the smallest money. Then after you proceed to check out, you fill all your names, all your whatever, and then you come over here and fill your username and password. Remember your password. That is what you are going to use to access your account. And then you can pay with your card, or you can pay with direct bank transfer. Then after you pay with your card and you pay with your direct bank transfer, and then you place order and payment is done. If it is direct bank transfer, make the transfer and then send me a DM proof of payment. I'm going to confirm you. You are going to enroll. Then after you are enrolled, it's going to look something like this. It's going to look something like this, because I don't want people to come here and be asking me questions and we don't answer you. If you ask me questions that I've already gone through, I will not answer you at all. I'm a very busy man. Do you understand? So it's going to look like this. All you need to do is just to click on profile. Then after you are logged in and you've already paid and everything, just click on profile. So when you click on profile, why is this thing still loading? When you click on profile, it's going to show you this. Oh my god, this thing is still loading. Okay, so I hope you guys have downloaded your WordPress. We still have about 30 minutes to go. Don't worry. What we want to do now will take about 30 minutes, and tomorrow, all of tomorrow's class will be, probably I can even extend it for one more day, but what the heck, I don't know, depending on the time. This is actually very important. Then after you click on profile, here, you are going to get here. This is all the courses. My courses here. You can go to purchased. When you click on purchased, all the courses that you have ever purchased will be here. Do you understand? So you are going to see web design consultancy. You're going to see web design consultancy. I have this much here because they are my courses. So you're going to see web design consultancy other all. You can just click on it. Then when you click on it, you are going to get to this course page, and then you can have access to the course. Then you can click on it. Then when you click on it, you will be able to take the course live and direct on the platform. Do you understand? Would you believe that this platform, it was built with WordPress? I built this with WordPress. Do you understand? Of course, this is not, you are not going to learn this high level shit in this course, but you're going to learn the basic of how to get started. Then when you are now with me in the mentorship group, then I'm now going to take you from that level to this level. Do you understand? I'm not going to take you from that level that this advanced course will take you, and I'll take you to this level. You'll be able to do this. You'll be able to do something even much more better than this and all that stuff. And also, how you can get clients, because what's good is learning a skill if you can't turn it into money. That's the whole point, right? So you'll be able to take the course like this, and you'll be able to take it live and direct here. Do you understand? Of course, it is data that you'll be using to stream the courses. So okay, right, this is how it looks like. It is professionally built, so I told you.
Hello. First of all, congratulations.
So let's leave this one for now, and I've taken a lot of time. Let's jump in. So, but the point is that I want to start on the. Oh, sorry, guys. Okay. Hello, bros. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́, mo busy báyìí. Ẹ jẹ́ kí n pè yín padà. Màá pè yín padà in the next 30 minutes. All right, guys, I'm very sorry about that. I got a call. All right, let's continue. So I want to make it a clean slate so that it will not be as if I favor one person over another. So I will drop the link. I will drop the link to the discount code. I will drop it on the group, and good luck. The first 10 persons win. Okay, let's continue. So sorry I took a lot of time. I hope you have your WordPress already. So, and you have this. When you have this, what I need you to do. So we've already continued. Or if you are sleeping, you can wake up now. So just open XAMPP. Then after you open XAMPP, what you need to do is to come to. You are going to see a folder called htdocs. Do you understand? Remember where you are going to find it: local disk, XAMPP, and htdocs. Do you understand? This is htdocs. All right. What I need you to do is to look for that zip file. That zip file you downloaded. That WordPress zip file you downloaded. Copy it and paste it here. Maybe probably it is in your downloads. All right. What I need you to do is to go and copy it from your download folder. Do you understand? Copy it from your download folder. When you copy it from your download folder, now come to that this folder here. This XAMPP folder. Open htdocs and paste it here. I've already pasted mine. This is it, WordPress 5.6. You see, WordPress 5.6. So what I need you to do is to go ahead and extract it. Right click on it and extract to WordPress 5.6. Let's extract to WordPress 5.6. Click on it. How many of you are here with me? How many of you are here with me? Just extract it. Then after you are extracting it, it's still extracting. It is still extracting.
I'm here. I'm there.
Oh, very good, very good.
Yeah.
Okay, very good, very good. So extract it. Then after you're done
I'm there.
okay, very good, very good. Then after you are done extracting, what I need you to do, you are going to see a new folder here called WordPress 5.6 because you've already extracted the contents of this file. Just open WordPress 5.6. You are going to see another folder called WordPress. Open it. And when you open it, you will see a bunch of mumbo jumbo PHP files. All right, it is code that is actually inside these files. So what I need you to do is to go ahead and copy everything. Control A, copy everything, and write Control C, or right click and click on copy. I want you to copy everything. Copy everything. Not cut, or don't cut it, or just copy it. Have you done that? I'm going to wait for 3 seconds for you to do that. Alright, enter WordPress, then copy it, from htdocs. This is htdocs. This is your extracted file. Open it and copy all this. Control A and Control C. Then after you've copied it, come back to htdocs. This is htdocs. Come back to htdocs. What I need you to do is to think of the website you want to create. What is the name you want to call your website? Alright, me, I will be creating a website for a fictional agency. Let's call it Crescent Agency. Crescent Agency. Do you understand? That's the name of the company that is currently paying me 700k to build them a website. So you're going to go ahead and create a new folder. Right click, go to new, and create new folder. Do you understand? And if you can't do that, and if you don't want to do that, you can press Control Shift N. Control Shift N will create a new folder for you instantly. Do you understand? So create a new folder. Then after creating a new folder, rename the folder the name of that website you want to create. Mine is Crescent. Let me just call it Crescent. I'm calling it Crescent. Do you understand? Rename that folder the name of your website. Then after you've done that, open that folder. It's a very simple step, and paste everything. You copied something inside WordPress file the other time, so you come here and you paste it here. So while that is still pasting, don't worry guys, by the ending of this free class you will be able to create websites as beautiful as this one. Let me show you. You'll be able to create a website that is as beautiful as this. I mean, that is the goal of this class. Do you understand? That is the goal of this class. You'll be able to create something as beautiful as this. I can promise you. Do you understand? You'll be able to create this. Something that looks like this. You'll be able to do that by the ending of this free class. Is that not amazing? But then I need your help. I think I should say this. I kind of need your help. I think I need to, let me come here. So here's what I want to do. Remember when I told you guys that next year I wanted to create a campaign that can help me reach out to sponsors, and I want to give free laptops to people. Of course, the free laptop will go to people that they have taken the course, they've taken the advanced course, but they don't have laptop to practice. Do you understand? Because I mean, if I say I'm giving free laptops, even people that are people that don't have any intention of ever doing web design in their life, they will apply. You understand? Or why don't even you that you already have laptops, you will apply? You want to get 2 laptops? Because I know some of us are greedy like that. Do you understand? You want to get extra free laptops. But the thing is that I will actually unpick people that I know that okay, these people have taken the course, but they don't have laptop to practice. Those are the people that I want to give, because my point is to create a new source of income for guys to work with. In that way, we will have less jobless Nigerians. We have less hoodlums. We have less people that will be, that will be stealing. We have less people that will be, going about doing bad things to people. This is just my own little way of making the world a better place. The last class, someone said I'm supposed to contest for president, but then if we cannot contest for president, at least we should do the little we can to help our fellow people. Do you understand? There's nothing special about me. I'm just a Nigerian dude like you. I'm not even very good looking like you. Do you understand? I can see Damilare David. I can see your video. He's a very good looking boy guy. I'm not as good looking as Damilare David. I'm just a guy that thinks he's crazy enough to help people. Do you understand? The way I can. All right. So please, what I would need you to do, you would really help me with this. I would want you to make a selfie video, just a selfie video, 30-second selfie video after this class, saying how much you have learned from free class that's Nova University organized. You are going to mention Nova University, you are going to mention Big Sam, so that when we are presenting to Dangote Group or presenting to any oil company, they will know that, oh, okay, this person has really done what he claimed that he has been doing. You understand? It will be like some impact metric and some sort of social proof that this guy is not just some scam that wants to take away our money. Do you understand? It will really help me. It will really we can do this together. That's what I'm saying. Like me and you, we can do this together. We can help people. That's what I'm saying. So, and then your only way of doing it is just to create a selfie video. And also, Nova University platform is open. If you are also a teacher and you have a skill, a monetizable digital skill that you can teach people to, please reach out to me, so that if you would like to help people too, so that we can work together. We can help you create a course too on Nova University that people can take and they can make money after taking your course. Do you understand? So yeah, the reason why I had to say this to you guys is because this thing was still copying, and right now it has finished copying. All right, everything has copied is already copied here. Do you understand? Now we have, let me go over this again. We have XAMPP folder. Inside XAMPP folder we have htdocs. Inside htdocs we have already created a folder called Crescent, which is the website we want to build. So go to your website right now. Go to your browser. Open your browser, and then after you open your browser, go ahead and type localhost / Crescent, or localhost / whatever the name of your website is. Do you understand? Just go ahead and do that and click enter. Someone is trying to join. Just go ahead and click enter. Then after you've clicked enter, let me give it to you guys here. David Abler said, please help me. Can you please recap the steps to installing the WordPress? Okay, I will help you, but then I'm kind of jealous of you because you are far more than me. But then I will not take offense. I will recap. So what you do when you want to install WordPress is that you go to this is your XAMPP folder. Copy that WordPress zip file wherever it is. Remember the WordPress zip file that you downloaded. Copy it wherever it is. It should probably be in your download folder. Come and paste it inside htdocs. I already pasted mine here. The reason why you are pasting it here is that when you extract it so that it can be here. So I already pasted mine here. This is the zip file. Extract it. After you extract to WordPress 5.6, you are going to have it here. This is the folder. This is the extracted folder. Open it. You see another one called WordPress. Open it again and then copy everything that is here. Ctrl A, copy everything that is here, and then go back to htdocs. Go back to the htdocs folder. Do you understand? So when you are here in the htdocs folder, create a new folder and name it the name of the website you have in mind to create. Maybe your own website, the website you want to create is damilare.com, or just Damilare. Just put Damilare, don't put .com. So just put Damilare. Then after you put it, you create a folder called Damilare. Let's say you create a folder and you call it Damilare. So what you need to do is to open Damilare, which is the new folder, and then paste everything you copied, paste it there. Then after you finish pasting, of course I'm not going to waste time pasting it. After you finish pasting it, let me delete it, I don't need it. After you finish pasting it, come to your browser, open your browser, and then do localhost/Damilare and click on enter. Do you understand? After you've done that, you should have a screen that looks like this, that is asking you to choose a language. And of course, we are going to select English language. And we're going to
You can't see your screen.
Sorry?
You can't see your screen.
Work of the devil. Can you guys see my screen?
No, we are not seeing it. You're not showing it.
Since when?
Yeah.
No.
Yes, I can see your screen. The screen is on. It's just that you didn't pin you to it.
You can see it now.
It's only your profile picture that is so.
Can
Yes,
you
we can see now.
Like how many minutes ago have that been happening? Sorry?
5 minutes ago.
5 minutes ago.
Like 3 to 5 minutes.
I don't die. And you guys cannot tell me.
No,
Okay.
we message you. Like 3 to 5 minutes.
Did not see.
Hope you guys have not missed a lot.
No, you have to catch up.
It's not working.
Oh, Clifford, what's not working?
I missed on the instruction. Please, can you recap? I stopped at copying it into the htdocs.
No. Hey, Jesus Christ. You are not copying into htdocs, so you are, after copying the files, create a new folder inside htdocs. Call it the name of your website and paste it inside that folder. Do you understand? Let me go over it again. Maybe that was because my screen was not, So here is the thing, real quick now. This is local disk, XAMPP. After opening XAMPP, open htdocs. Then after opening htdocs, create a new folder, call it Crescent or whatever you want to name your website. Open it and then paste all that files inside. Do you understand? All the file that you got from WordPress, after you finish extracting WordPress. Copy everything from here.
2 minutes.
Copy everything from here, then go back, open Crescent, and then paste everything here. Please mute your microphone. Then after you are done pasting everything here, open your browser, and then I want you to do localhost/Crescent or localhost/Damilare, localhost/ your website name. Do you understand? Oluwafemi, please mute your microphone. Oluwafemi, please mute your microphone. Okay, very good. Okay, very good. Okay, let's continue. Thank God we fixed that already. I think I mistakenly stopped sharing or something. I don't know. Let me hide it so that I wouldn't. Okay, so as I was saying, after you've done that, you should get here. After you click on continue, you are going to get here, and then it's going to ask you to enter your database details, your database name, your database username, your database password, your database host, and your database table prefix. It's going to ask you to enter these details, but that's what we need to do now. What I need you to do right now is to create a new folder. Create a new, open a new tab and do localhost/php my admin. Localhost/php my admin. That's what I need you to do. Let me paste this here for you guys to see. Localhost/php my admin. No space at all. Don't put any space. Is Happiness still here? Happiness, are you still here? Happiness, don't jump out. All right. So localhost slash php my admin. All right.
Sir, please, that's
I'm
on
still here,
new
sir.
folder localhost/php.
Yeah, localhost slash php my admin. I've already put it in the search in the chat section. Oh, happiness is still here. Very good. All right. Can we continue? Do you guys get that? Can we continue? Nobody is talking again. Can you guys still hear me?
Yes, you can.
Oh, okay.
I can hear you.
Oh, okay, okay,
Yes,
very
you
good.
can.
Okay, very good. Very good.
You're really low.
Okay, so from here, after you do local slash php my admin, click on enter. It's going to take a while for you to load, but eventually it will load. All right. It will keep on loading. It might take a while for it to load, but eventually it will load. Normally, if you are loading it for the first time, it will take a while, but then it's all good. And if you are lucky enough, it will load without any error, and you're going to have this screen. Do you understand? This is where we are going to create a database that we are going to connect with the new website that we want to create now. So what I need you to do is to go ahead and click on new. See, new here. Click on new, and then name your database. Come and create a new database and give it a name. Most of the time, what I used to do is that I used to name it. Please mute your microphone. Someone is playing the course on Lova University. Mute your microphone, please. Okay, very good. So what I need you to do is to name it something that is similar, something that you can, that you can relate with. Most of the time, the rule of thumb is that always name your database what is related to the website you are creating. I'm creating a website and I'm calling it Crescent. So I'm going to name it something that is related to Crescent. I might name it Crescent. My name is Crescent DB. DB stands for database. Crescent DB. That's the name of my database. Do you understand? Now, don't forget that here we need database name, username, password, and host. All right. If you click on Let's Go here, you're going to get to here. You're going to get to this page that asks you to put in a database name, and then I already created a database here. I'm creating a database that I called Crescent DB. Copy it. Click on create. Of course, you click on create. You have created a database. Come over here and paste it here. Remove WordPress that is here before. It is Crescent DB that I've created. Now it is time for us to create a username and password for that database. We need to lock this database so that it is not everybody that will be able to use this database. It is only a user that we give permission to use it with this particular website. So what I need you to do is to click on your newly created database. Click on it. Then after you are here, don't worry about creating any table. What I need you to do is to come to privileges. See privileges here. Privileges here. Privileges. Click on privileges. Then after you've got into privileges, you are going to see this. So what I need you to do is to come here over to new here, new. See new here. Click on add users. All right, click on add users. And after you click on add users, I'm going to go ahead and create a database username. Any username you want. You can put your name, you can put your whatever, your girlfriend's name, your dog's name, your pastor's name, your enemy's name. We don't care. But most of the time, I used to name it something that is related to what I'm building. Do you understand? I used to relate it to something, what I'm building. The name of the website I'm building is Crescent, so that things will not get confusing. So I would name it Crescent user. You can name it anything. Please remember Crescent user. Just make sure that whatever you name it, you remember. All right, Crescent user. Right, copy that Crescent user. Copy it. Come and paste it wherever username is. Username is Crescent user. Go back. Host name. This is very important. From any host, change it from here, right here. Change it from any host. Change it to local, so that it will be local host. Do you understand? All right. Database. That is database host. Database host. It is local host. Can you see? Database host, local host. All right. So what I need you to do is we want to set a password now. This is a password field. set your password. Set a password that you will not forget. Me, I used to use my third name. Let me use my third name. My third name is Olalekon. I'll put Olalekon. So retype that password, Olalekon. I use a password that I remember. Do you understand? Then after you are done, something that is very important, if you don't do this next thing, it will not work. You'll be having issues. So what I need you to do is to scroll down, come to global privileges, and check all. Just click on check all here. When you check this button here, it will automatically check all these global privileges. It means this user that I'm just creating, I want to give it permission to, to do all this kind of stuff on the database. I want to give it administrative permission, I want to give it data permission, and I want to give it structure permission. Do you understand? You are giving it a total permission to work on this database, and that is what you should do. And after you check all, you grant all, what I need you to do is to come over here and then click on go. Click on go. Immediately after you click on go, it has already created that user for you. All right, that user is created. So just come over here and put the password that you created. You understand? Then after you put your password, now you have already put your database name, your database username that you just created, your database password, you put it there, and your database host. Remember that we changed from any host to local host. And table prefix, just leave table prefix alone at WP underscore. Just leave it, don't touch it, and click on submit. Then after you click on submit and you are lucky enough and you did everything right, you should have this saying, all right, Sparky, you made it through this installation part. WordPress can now communicate with your database. If you are ready, it is time to go. The time is now. Do you understand? So if you get this, then I congratulate you. You are almost there. We are almost there. Just click on run the installation. So when you click on run the installation, you are going to get to this screen right here. I hope you guys are still following me. Can you still see my screen? So I'm sure that I'm not just talking to myself.
I'm seeing it.
Okay, very good.
I can see the screen, but I'm kind of confused, lost.
Okay, you are confused.
Yeah, quite fast.
Okay.
I'm
fast.
lost, not just confused, lost, so please.
You are lost. Hey.
Yes.
Clifford is lost. Jesus is Lord. Okay. Do you know this song? I was lost, but you found me here. God will help you. What about you, Itunu? Are you lost too? Well, don't worry. I'm currently recording this class. All right, I'll compress the video. I'll put it on my YouTube channel, and you guys can have access to it so that you can sit down and actually follow the class. Is that cool?
Okay, thank you, sir.
All right. Itunu, mute your microphone, please. Itunu Badamosi, mute your microphone. Okay, thank you. Okay, very good. All right. So from here, we can actually create site title. All right, site title is what you want. I mean, what do you want to tell us about your new website? I can say it is Crescent Agency, or let's say their tagline is "We create an amazing business." Let's say that's their tagline. Do you understand? For Picnic, it is peak, it is in you. For MTN, it is everywhere you go. For Glow, it is with pride. Do you understand? So you put their site title or site tagline. And if you are developing it for your own business, this is where you put no. Okay, this is site title, sorry, not tagline. You can put your site title. The name of my site title here is Crescent. Just put Crescent. Please mute your microphone. Who is that? Please mute your microphone. So you set a username. This username is different from the username that we set when we were creating the database. It's different. This is what you are going to use to sign in. Who is that? Mute your microphone, please. Thank you very much. Now this one is different. This is what we used. This is what we are going to be using to log in into our administrative panel. All right. So what you're going to do is to go ahead and you are going to username, right? Just put any username you can remember. Most of the time I put something that I can always remember. I'm just going to put Crescent because I know that this username is in resonance to this website that I'm doing. I'll put Crescent, and I always use the same password so that I will not forget. I always use the same password for this stuff. So I'll use Olalekon. You understand? That's my third name, because I wouldn't want to forget. If you forget your password and you cannot log in into your administrative dashboard again, that's all. That's all for you. Do you understand? Confirm the use of weak password and put your email. Of course, put your email here. And after you put your email, then there is something you should never do. Don't tick this. Don't click on tick. Leave it blank. It means discourage search engines from indexing this website. No, we don't want that. Which means when people search for your name on Google, your website is not going to show up. All right? Don't do that. Do you understand? Now go ahead and install WordPress. You can save password for later. Go ahead and click on install WordPress. Now there's something I always do. I don't know if you guys do it too, if you have ever done it. I used to search my name on Google and see if Google will bring my name. My name is Olubayo Samuel. You guys should try it too. And let's see what Google will do. It's just something fun and crazy that I do sometimes. So he brings my name out. Okay, this is Olubayo Samuel, head of operations at Libright Healthcare. You know, this is not me. This is not me. This is me. This is me. This is not me. This is me as well. This is me. And this is not me, but this is me. And this is me. All these video results are me. No, except this, but this is me. All right. This one is me. Let me check image results. Yeah, this is me, fine boy. This is me, fine boy. This is me. This is during Union Bank Rice Challenge. Do you understand? You know, post COVID-19, NYSC member innovates to reduce unemployment rates in Nigeria. You know, you can see Union Bank Rice Challenge here. It was when I was when I was still in Port Harcourt, when I was still serving in Port Harcourt, and that was about 3-4 months ago, because I just got back to Ibadan. All right, and yeah, this is still me. This is me. This is me. This is me. Okay, this is Nova University indexed. What else? Yeah, and this is, check this out. This is a certificate. Oh my god, imagine. See, check out this certificate. This is the certificate you are going to get. I don't even know that this guy uploaded this certificate. This is the certificate you are going to get after you are done completing the advanced course. This is one of my students. He posted his certificate on Facebook, and this is it. I guess he must have tagged me or something. This is how the certificate looks like. Actually, you can add it to your CV, and you are happy. Do you understand? This is what the certificate looks like. This is one of my students, AY Designs. He already created his own design, you know, his own design firm too, and he's on the mentorship group. Let me show you. It's on the mentorship group. Where is AY? AY. This is AY. You can see this is AY. AY is a good boy. We always talk all the time, and then we talk about business. We play a lot. I play with all my students. I'm actually a very playful person. If you have noticed, I'm a very approachable person. I'm a very playful person, and then they tease me all the time to do giveaway for them. Do giveaway now. They tease me all the time, so I'm just that kind of person. I joke a lot with people, and I'm also very serious, and I'm also very, very ambitious, and I'm also super strict too when I need to be. Do you understand? When I'm working towards a goal, I'm always very super strict. Do you understand? I mean, all this element of playfulness, it will suddenly disappear, and you will see me in a whole new light. If I need you to get a job done, I'm going to be on your neck until you do it. Then after, we can now go and ball, and then we can play. But when it is time to work, we really, really work. Do you understand? And if you are lucky enough to be out of those 10 people, it's as if you are under my personal mentorship. And everything I have achieved in my life up to this point, I have over 4 companies now that I run, over 4 businesses now that I run, and then very soon next year is going to be a very massive year for me. Do you understand? It's going to be a very massive year for me. I want to dive into a lot of stuff. So I want to dive into real estate. I want to dive into some stuff too. All these things require you to have a very, very strong work ethic. you're going to work your ass off, and that's the kind of mentality that I'm infusing and injecting into guys that are on my mentorship group. You cannot be under my mentorship and you will fail. You will not fail because I am not a failure. Do you understand? I'm going to put that spirit of excellence into you so that you two are going to achieve a lot of stuff. I don't know, maybe some of you on this call might even be older than me. I'm just 24 years old. Do you understand? I'm just 24. I'm 24 years old. Do you understand? But the things that I've seen, the places that I've been, the people that I've met in this life, they will make you have sense that no, you really, 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 really have to do something positive with your life. Do you understand? And you can only achieve this level of impact. I mean, I'm just 24 and I've achieved this level of impact. I already have 1,500 students across 4 African nations. By the time I'm going to be 30, by the time I'm going to be 45 or something, oh my God, it would have exploded. And I'm just praying that God will give us, Jesus Christ will not come very soon because I'm not married yet. Jesus Christ cannot come now. And we are not going to die young. As long as we don't die young and Jesus Christ did not come very soon, oh my God, we are really, really going to move mountains because that is what the Bible says we are going to do. Sorry, I'm getting religious right now, but that's just what I believe in. Do you understand? So I really hope we get to know each other more. Just 10 of you guys are going to have that opportunity. I can't take more than 10. You guys are about 100 and something. I don't believe in having a lot of stuff and you're not going to get anything meaningful out of it. I believe in getting only 10. Then after 10, and then I can work with 10 people. I can know that, okay, I can be sure that these 10 persons, we are going places together. All right? Okay, very good. Sorry, I just like to preach a lot. And I like to talk. I'm a talker. So you should have success. WordPress has been installed. Thank you and enjoy. Just click on login. Actually, we've achieved our goal for today. Now, remember that password and that username and password that you created. Mine is Crescent. And my password is Olaliko. And then you can click on remember me so that you don't always have to come back here. And then click on login. Then if you click on login and you are lucky enough, you should get here. You should get here on the dashboard. Yeah, if you successfully get here, then I congratulate you. Congratulations, this is how your WordPress dashboard looks like. And it is on localhost. You don't have to be connected to the internet to have this to work on localhost. Do you understand? That's one of the very beautiful parts. You don't need to waste data. Even if you connect off, if you get off your internet now, it will still work. Do you understand? And that is why I've chosen this method so that you can practice and practice and practice and get better. You can create as much folders, as much website as possible, create stuff and get good, right? So after you've gotten here, yes, let's see how your website looks like now. Come to this home page, click on this home page, and this is how it looks like right now. I know it sucks, it doesn't look fine right now, but then trust me, when we are done with this baby, to bust your brain. All right, go back to your dashboard. This is how it looks right now. All right, this is 8:35. We are supposed to stop this class by 8:30, but this is 8:35. I'm sorry for taking 5 minutes of your time. We are going to stop here. Please, if you don't have WordPress installed up to this point, please make sure you get to this point tomorrow. I'm recording this class. This is it. This is the recording software I'm using. Most people used to ask me what recording software do I use. I use OBS Studio. It's one of the best. It's also free. I use OBS Studio, so in case you need to record stuff too in the future, I use OBS Studio. It's very good. I'm going to compress this file. When I compress this file, so that it will not chop your data, because after it is done, it's about 1 hour something. It's probably going to be about 1 point something gig. All right, so I'm going to compress it to something around 100 MB or something, so that it will not eat your data. I'll upload it on my YouTube channel so that you guys can you can even download it if you want, so that you can have it on your local and you can always watch. And if you miss anything, like Clifford here that is lost, so that we can find him. You understand? So that you can see. But whatever you do, make sure by tomorrow you are already at the point where I am, because tomorrow we are going to move very fast. So that I want to take you guys from this blank WordPress. Tomorrow I'm going to take you from blank WordPress. From this blank WordPress, I'm going to take you to building something very beautiful. All right, so please stay with me. Stay with me. We are going to meet tomorrow, guys. I think I have a final note. Oh, yes. Before we go, check out how your WordPress dashboard looks. And this is the one that is hosted. This is Nova University backend. You see that it's the same thing. Do you understand? It is the same thing. It is the same thing. So which means if you practice on localhost, it will also, it's actually very easy for you to. And this is how it looks like. Do you understand? Alright, it's the same thing, but just that I've already put a couple stuffs. On it. And just that, so that I won't, it's not as if I want to, do anything. Just from Nova University alone, guys. Just from Nova University alone. Remember that I told you guys that, are you guys with me? Remember I told you guys that me and these people, we created the course, and some people out there, they are getting the course for 20,000 naira. Do you understand? They are getting the course for 20,000 naira, and that's their own cup of tea, right? Those people that are getting it for 20,000 naira, they are not going to be in my mentorship group. They are just getting the soft skills, and me and these people are sharing the profits. I've already left them, but we are sharing I'm sharing the profits with these people. You understand? But the people that I teach like this, only people in this mentorship, in this web design consultancy class, only those people, only 10 of you guys are going to get access to to the discounts. Then after you get access to the discounts, only those 10 of you will move into the mentorship program, right? Even if you get the course at 20,000 naira and you did not use the discount code, you know that the discount comes from the offer that I got from Union Bank. That Union offer only covers 10 people per class. The 8th class too. I think I already created the group for the 8th class. Can you see? Web design mentorship for 8 people. They are still under their own registration process. See, they're asking me question. When will lessons start? Do you understand? This is a new one that I'm still just, and I'm already I'm already grooming them too, so that because I want to hit 1,500 people this year. So I want to hit 1,500 people this year. Even if you get the course later at 20k, you are not going to get into the mentorship program. You understand? The mentorship program is only applied if you use the Union Bank code. I'm going to send a link to the group. I'm going to send 2 links to you today. Please remind me, even if I forget, because I forget a lot of stuff. So I'm too playful. All right. Even if I forget, please, someone should just come to my DM and remind me that I want to send the video of this class, and I also want to send the link to the discount code. Only 10 persons will have access. Do you understand? And don't come late to tomorrow's class. Please don't come late to tomorrow's class. I wouldn't want there to be a low turnout. So I think we are done for today. Or is there something else I want to show you guys? Something is telling me there's something else I want to show you, but then I think we are done. All right, so God bless you all. Take care. Don't forget, please, you are going to do me a favor of creating a selfie video, and then just some sort of testimonial, so that it will help us get better. Thank you very much, Clifford. God bless you. Francis, Basi, Itunu, and Happiness, Taiwo, Elemonshaw. I can't keep mentioning names, but then you get the point. So God bless you all. Take care. Damilari, freshman.
Thank you, sir.
Damilari, freshman. All right, take care, everyone. Bye.